Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this video is for tutorial how to configure Mpls VPN with CE BGP. So yeah, before that, let's make topology right here, like this, and also we must prepare for the terminal to all device. So the first command is we must make the configuration, basic configuration to the each other device that we can connect it. So we create the IP address to each other interface like this: interface 0.0, IP address 12.1, and I make the IP address with subnets /30, and also we go to the PE1 is interface 0.0 again, IP address 12.2, and also we make the interface loopback for the routing OSPF that we need to build Mpls VPN. So after that, after we making the interface loopback, we go to the PE number 2, same thing that we create in the before router. We go to the interface 0.0 again and create the IP address 23.2 with subnets /30. And after that, we going make interface loopback, and also we go to the P router and make the OSPF routing for the build Mpls VPN backbone. So router OSPF 1, and we create the router ID for this P router, and also we put in all of this network IP address to the P router. And after that, we'll go to the PE1 and router OSPF and put the network IP address 12.0, and also the wildcard mask is 0003, and area is make for the backbone. And you can see the information adjacency is up. And let's go to the PE2, router OSPF, router ID 2.2.2.2, and also network IP address is 23.0, area 0. And we can see the information about neighbor app adjacency. And so yeah, we go to the interface 0.0 again to the P router and activating the Mpls IP to each other devices. And we go to the PE1 and activate again to the interface that we go to the P router. And next, to go to the PE number 2, same thing at PE1. And after that, we're going to PE1 for making routing BGP to the PE number 2. So this command is router BGP 65,000, and the neighbor is to the PE number 2, which is 2.2.2.2, and remote as 65,000. And same thing with PE number 2, router BGP 65,000, neighbor 11111, remote as 65,000. And don't forget to update source loopback. So if we didn't update source loopback, we can connected to each other device with interface loopback for the BGP routing. So yeah, wait until he see the neighbor is up for the BGP, and yeah, we can see again the BGP summary is up. So yeah, and after that we're going make the IPVRF interface. The command is IPVRF CE R4, which is go to the router 4, and RD 65,000. Why we need 65,000? Because it's for routing to the BGP that we make for the Mpls backbone. So that's why we make the RD 65,000 for the BGP Mpls. So after that we create the IPVRF that we make before to the device that we need or connected into PE1 like this. We go to the interface 0.0 0.1, I'm sorry, IPVRF forwarding, and go to the CE R4 and IP address 10.10.10.1/30, and don't forget to not shut down. And after that we'll go to the PE number 2 interface 0.1 IPVRF forwarding CE R5, and after that we create the IP address again 20.20.21/30, and don't forget again to not shut down. And after that we go to the PE1, and let's go to the main topic is router BGP 65,000 again, address family VPN 4, neighbor, go to the PE number 2, activate, and neighbor 22222 send community bot. What is that means? We create the address family VPN 4, so basically it's for connection from PE1 or CE R4 going to the CE R5 through Mpls backbone. So yeah, after that we go to address family IPv4 CE R4, and the neighbor is we're going to the IP address CE, and remote as the IS number of CER4 is 100, and don't forget again neighbor as override. So this override means if we make the interface loopback in the R4 or R5, it can be updating into the BGP routing table through Mpls VPN backbone to the R5. So after we make the configuration is we're going to the R4, and we basic comment about IP address and also interface loopback. We created 32, and after that we make the router BGP protocol 100, and the neighbor is go to the PE1, which is to the provider edge, and remote as 65,000 is the AS number of the PE1. And don't forget, we create the network mask to put in interface IP loopback. So yeah, go to the R5 and we create the same thing as R4, and yeah, after we created the basic configure of IP, and we do create BGP 100, and neighbor is go to the PE number 2 remote as 65,000, and don't forget again to put in network IP address of interface loopback. And yeah, we can see the information about BGP neighbor is now up R4 to the PE1. As you can see, we have information BGP summary is up, and also in the PE1 is up too, and we can check too in the PE1 the eBGP. Yes, eBGP is connected between PE number 2. So as you can see, we do show IP route. We have a new route, which is the codes is BGP is to the R5 interface loopback from R5, and the R5 is same the new about routing BGP to the R5 interface loopback. So we do ping 11.11.11, and the source is loopback 0 is successful. We ping to the interface loopback about R4, and we do trace. We can see the trace is go to the router 5 and go to the Mpls backbone, and after that we receive the packet from R5 to the R4, and we do the same thing with R4 to the R5. We do trace again, and we can see the Mpls is working, and yeah, maybe that's it for this video about Mpls VPN with CE BGP. I'm sorry if I have some mistake. See you on the next video. Bye bye.